Hey working moms, are you wondering what is the best diet plan for you? Yes, today I am going to share the best diet plan for working moms. Yes, it is specially for you. When I say it is specially for you, it needs to be simple and it needs to be sustainable. Simplicity makes it sustainable, and that is what I am coming up with. The diet plan consists of 4 main categories. Now, what are those 4 main categories? Is the nutrition, what you will be getting through your food. So let's divide it into 4 categories, which is proteins, healthy carbs, healthy fats, and veggies. So when we consider these 4 categories and we make sure that our grocery is full with what comes under all these categories, we won't fail in our weight loss goals. So are you excited to know more about these categories? If yes, type in below the comment box yes. Now let me tell you what comes under proteins. The best source of protein is chicken, fish, and eggs. Dairy products like paneer, tofu, we have milk, we have we have curd, yogurt. These are the best sources of proteins. When we talk about healthy carbs, yes, we cannot reduce on carbs or we cannot cut down the carbs when we are considering weight loss. What happens if we do that? We also get our carbs from our vegetables and almost from every food. Now what is important here, more than the amount of carbs, what we need to have, the type of carbs. So the complex carbohydrates are going to help us into our weight loss process. Now what is complex carbohydrates? These are the carbohydrates which do not shoot our blood sugars fast. Okay, and because of that we are able to maintain our blood sugar well, and thus the fat loss happens well. The best sources of healthy carbs are whole grains, which are gluten free, beans, sprouts, rice, which is brown rice, barley, oats. These are healthy carbohydrates, and these are going to give you a very good energy as well as weight loss. Now when we talk about healthy fats, why are fats important? Because the fat cells give us the largest source of energy, and they actually help us to sustain or replace the bad fats from our body, and that is how healthy fats helps in our weight loss process. The best sources of healthy fats are nuts, seeds, nuts, almonds, peanuts, walnuts. These are healthy sources of fat. Then we can have ghee and soya bean. Healthy oily fish will give you healthy fats. Okay, so healthy fats again give us a lot of benefits with our weight loss process. The last category is veggies. So when we talk about veggies, we need to consider high fiber veggies. So when we talk about veggies are the green leafy vegetables, all the green leafy vegetables you can consume, and the high fiber vegetables. So after veggies, we can also include some fruits into our healthy diet. Now when we consume, especially we need to think about the sweetness of the fruit. So we must not eat very sweet fruit during our weight loss process. So you need to consider the fruits which will have less sweet, and you need to consider the time of fruit. Eating the time of fruit should not be when it is completely ripened and it is little bit raw and ripe, in between the ripe. So make sure that you select according to this categories what you will be consuming. Now when we talk about weight loss and the diet plan, lot of time we think about what are the recipes, right? Relax. There is no any such recipe which is going to give you weight loss. This is 100% proven because I am seeing the result. It is only that what quality of food you are using, as I said, and what quality of oil you are using. So the mainly, if you are considering oil, consider sunflower oil or olive oil for cooking your food and see the results. Now, how do you decide that what you will be eating in your breakfast, lunch and dinner? So what I suggest is every meal of yours should have all these 4 categories, especially breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, so when we talk about how you will be serving your plate, you must understand this easy easy to understand definition is you have to fill your plate with half vegetables, 1/4 proteins and 1/4 carbs, and you have to sprinkle down those healthy fats on top of it. You have to sprinkle down that healthy fats on top of your food, okay, and see how it helps you. Now when we consume the balanced nutrition, we won't feel hunger, we won't feel weak, we will feel energetic, and this is how the weight loss becomes simple and sustainable. Let me know how do you find this. If you have any queries about diet plan, make sure that you drop down your questions in the comment box. Thank you.